curved surface area and total surface area. What is the curved surface area of cone given by? It is pi RL, where pi is value is 22 by 7 or 3.14 according to the question. R is the radius and L is the slant height of the cone, which is this. Slant height is this. We have another quantity for cone, which is straight height, which is given by h. If L is not given, you have h and r. You can find L using Pythagoras theorem, that is L square will be equal to h square plus r square. Alright, so let's begin with exercise 11.1. It's quite easy. Calculative hai, but this is what you are going to learn, how to make the calculations easier. So let's read and understand question number 1. The question is, diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeters and its slant height is 10 centimeters. Find its curved surface area. Very easy, very basic. Diameter is 10.5. First of all, you convert diameter into radius by dividing it by 2. Okay. There is one more way you can do this. अगर 10.5 है तो this is diameter 105 by 10. You can make it 105 by 20 for radius. Okay. If you don't want to go for decimals, you can do this also. Then don't divide anything here. Okay. Use this value directly in the formula. Okay. Let's go ahead. We have to find the curved surface area. You are given the radius. You are given the slant height. Curved surface area is nothing but pi r. So we get pi as 22 by 7. If it is not mentioned that use pi is equal to 3.14, you will be using pi as 22 by 7. Like I said in the previous video, whose link by the way is in the description box. Like I said in the previous video कि अगर आपका रेडियस या आपका स्लैंट हाइट या कोई भी क्वांटिटी 7 के मल्टीपल्स में होगा तो in most of such cases, in mostly all of such cases, pi that you have to use will be 22 by 7 because we can cancel the values by 7. Okay. Radius I am taking as this. I will tell you why we have done that. It will be easier for you to understand. This is 10. So 10 and 2, 2 and 11 and 7. 1s are 7, 7, 3 remain 7 5s are. So you get this as 11 into 15, which is equal to 165 centimeters square. Okay. Let's read question number 2. It's literally the same. Just you have to find the total surface area. Correct? Let's read it. Find the total surface area of a cone if the slant height is 21 meters and diameter of the base is 24 meters. Okay. The diameter is 24 meters and the slant height is 21 meters. So radius will become 12 meters. So TSA can be found out using pi r L plus r. Okay. We get pi as 22 by 7, radius is 12, L is 21, radius is 12. So what we get here is 22 by 7 into 12 into what is 21 plus 12, it is 33. This is equal to 264 into 33 upon 7. Simply I multiply 22 by 12 and then we will multiply that number by 33 and divide it by 7. This will give you 1244.57 meter square. Okay. Let's go ahead with question number 3 now. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square and its slant height is 14 centimeters. Find the radius and the total surface area of the cone. You are given the curved surface area and the slant height. You have to find the radius and total surface area. Okay. So curved surface area अगर ये है तो you can say कि pi r L is 308. Correct. Now take my word. Don't place the values here itself. Whatever you have to find, you are missing out on radius. So write r on one side. Take everything else on the other side and then place the values. Okay. This will give you 308 upon pi is 22 by 7 and L is 14. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 2 154. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11 4s are and 2 1s are 2 7s. So what I get as radius is 7 centimeters. Now my radius is 7 centimeters. I already have curved surface area. Okay. अगर हमें total surface area find करना है, you can use this formula also. एरिया ऑफ बेस आप अलग से फाइंड कर लो एंड देन एड इट टू कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. एरिया ऑफ बेस मतलब एरिया ऑफ सर्कल ही होगा, नीचे का सर्कल, which is pi r square, which is 22/7. रेडियस हमें मिला है 7, so pi r square and 22 into 7 is 154. This will be in centimeter squares and we have CSA as 308 and area of base as 154. So whatever the total is your total surface area. Understood? Which is 462 centimeters square. That is your total surface area. Understood? Let us now go ahead and read question number 4. The question says there is a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meters. Find the slant height of the tent and cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square of canvas is rupees 70. Very easy. See, canvas is nothing but the cloth that is used to make a tent. You understand conical tent? So जो कपड़ा यूज होगा वो टेंट बनाने के लिए, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल द कैनवस, और उसका रेट है 70 रुपीज पर मीटर स्क्वायर. और आपको फाइंड करना है कि वो टेंट बनाने के लिए जो कैनवस लगेगा उसमें कितना पैसा लगेगा, हाउ मच विल इट कॉस्ट, राइट. तो आपको दिया है रेडियस ऑफ द टेंट और हाइट. लाइक आई सेड, यू विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्लैंट हाइट फर्स्ट. Slant height will be equal to root of h square plus r square, which is equal to root of 10 square plus 24 square, which is root of 100 plus 24 का square is 576. This is equal to root of 676, which is nothing but the square root of 26. You should know the squares and square roots up till from 1 to 30. 30 तक के स्क्वायर्स पता होने चाहिए because it is very important in such cases. You cannot go on dividing 676 using long division method to find square roots or even prime factorization, correct? So better that you know the squares up till number 30. So now we have slant height as 26 meters. What do we need to find? We need to find the cost of canvas that we need. So what we do is cost of will be equal to rate into curved surface area of conical tent, correct? Why curved surface area? Because the base will not be made of the cloth that is used to make the tent. Base will be either hard or there will be no base. The tent will be made on the ground, correct? So there is no base included when we talk about the tent, alright? So rate is 70 rupees. CS of cone will be pi r l, which is equal to 70 into 22/7. Radius is 24 and this is 26. So this gets cancelled. All you are left with is 10 into 22 into 24 into 26. Whatever the answer you get is your cost of the complete tent. Clear? Just 137,280. 1,37,280 rupees. Clear? Your final answer statement should be the cost of making the tent is equal to rupees 1,37,280. Okay? Let's understand question number 5. Let me tell you orally. है बहुत easy, same question है. Just that यहाँ पे जो cost दिया था, आपको दिया है width of the canvas. For example, suppose this is the piece of canvas that you are using to make the tent, all right? तो ये दिया है आपको 3 meters. You have to find कि कितना length लगेगा, correct? To find the to get the tent made. Okay? Now this is a cloth in a rectangular shape. इसका जितना एरिया होगा उतना ही कर्व सरफेस एरिया होगा for the tent. For example, see. This is a rectangular page. तो अगर आप इसको कवर करके कोन के शेप में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो तो when you open this it is going to be a rectangle. You can fold it and make it a cone. अगर कोन बनाया है तो उसका जो कर्व सरफेस एरिया होगा that will be the same as the area of this cloth, correct? So basically what we are going to do is we are going to equate the area of the cloth to the curved surface area of the cone. Clear? That is all we have to do. We will get the length of the cloth required. Correct? Okay. First of all, let's read the question. समझ लेते हैं कि question में क्या है. What length of tarpaulin? 3 tarpaulin is nothing but the cloth that we need. 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters. So there is a tent whose radius is 6 meters, height is 8 meters. If you know the Pythagorean triplets, the third side will be 10 meters because 6 square will be 36, 8 square will be 64, 36 plus 64 100, whose square root is 10. So you get L as 10 meters. अगर आपको ट्रिपलेट पता है तो आप ये डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो, even here also. So again one more suggestion, keep learn the Pythagorean triplets. एक लिस्ट मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में रखा हुआ है, प्लीज गो एंड रेफर दैट लिस्ट एंड फाइंड आउट ऑन योर ओन कि कौन से दूसरे पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स हैं. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द कोन. वी हैव गॉटन द स्लैंट हाइट एज 10 meters. So directly what we will do is area of tarpaulin required is equal to area of or we can say curved surface area of tent. Correct? So area will be equal to 3 times the length, that is 3 is the width and length is equal to CSA of tent, which is pi RL. Pi you are asked to use 314 by 100, that is 3.14. Radius is 6 and slant height is 10. We cancel 10 zeros and we get length is equal to 314 into 6 upon 10 into 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. This is nothing but 628 upon 10, so 62.8 meters square. Meters, sorry. We are simply finding the length of the cloth required. Now there is extra question ahead, which is if assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters. तो वो जो क्लॉथ रहेगा वो मार्जिन स्टिच करने में और दूसरे कटिंग वेस्टेज में थोड़ा क्लॉथ एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा. वो कितना एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा? 20 सेंटीमीटर्स जितना. सो 20 सेंटीमीटर्स इज नथिंग बट 0.2 meters. सो टोटल लेंथ जो रिक्वायर्ड होगी वो दिस प्लस 0.2 which is equal to 63 meters. Clear? Let's go for question number 6 now. The question says the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meters and 14 meters respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of 210 rupees per 100 meters square. Very easy. There is a conical tomb. Conical shape में एक tomb है जिसका slant height is 24 meters. Sorry, the slant height is 25 meters and base diameter is 14 meters. That is, radius is 7 meters and slant height will be 25 meters given. और कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग है 210 rupees per 100 meter square. Now don't convert this to anything. Okay, 2 rupees per meter, 2.1 rupee per meter square. ये सब मत करो. Directly use this as the rate. Okay, let me tell you what I am saying. Total cost क्या होगा वाइट वॉश करने का? जो रेट है वो वैसा का वैसा लिखो, अपॉन 100 करके ही लिखो. 210 rupees per 100 meter square into CSA will be pi RL, that is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 और slant height is 25. Don't do anything. ये आप कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो कट हो जाएगा. 5 5s are 5 20s are 5 4s are. Correct? 2 11 2. This is going to give you 105. So you are getting 105 into 11, which is equal to 1155. So we get total cost will be equal to rupees 1155 rupees. Clear? Very easy. Just don't take that stress of converting the rate. अगर आपको rate पर 100 meter square के फॉर्म में दिया है तो use upon 100 in your calculation. Clear? It becomes extremely easy. All right? Okay. Let's go for question number 7. Let's read and understand it. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeters and height 24 centimeters. Base 7, height 24, so slant height will be 25 5 according to the Pythagorean triplet. 7, 24, 25. Very easy. नहीं याद होता है तो you can always use that formula h square plus r square का square root. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. अगर 10 बनाने हैं तो it will be 10 into area of 1 cap, correct? So area of sheet required will be number of caps, that is 10 into CSA, that is pi r n. Clear? Easy. This will give you 220 into 25, which is equal to rupees 5,500. Therefore, the cost is rupees 5,500. Easy? Very basic, very easy, correct? Just calculations को आप इतना complicate मत करो. Don't go for finding the curved surface area separately and then multiplying it with the number of caps. कोई मतलब नहीं है. एक step में एक ही उसमें कर सकते हो तो it is much better that you can do it in one step. Clear? Okay. Let's read question number 8, which is the last one of the exercise. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboards. You know that those cones yellow में होते हैं, mostly they are yellow in color, जो road के sides में रखे जाते हैं to barricade, to separate that part of the road with the main road, correct? Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeters. Base diameter 40 centimeters में है and height is 1 meters. So either you have to convert any one of them into a single unit. अगर सेंटीमीटर्स है तो मीटर में करो या तो मीटर्स को सेंटीमीटर्स में करो. बट क्या करना है वो आगे क्वेश्चन में आपको समझ में आएगा. Let's read. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square. Cost दिया है मीटर स्क्वायर के टर्म्स में, so you will convert the value with centimeter into meters. Easy. What will be the cost of painting all these cones? कितने cones हैं? 50 cones हैं. Rate is 12 per meter square. Diameter 40 centimeters है, तो it will become 0.4 meters. तो radius हो जाएगा 0.2 meters और height is 1 meter. You are given the value to find L. जब आप L find करोगे, because you have to find the curved surface area, you need the slant height. Please ये गलती मत करना कि ये height देख के उसको L की जगह पे मत लेना. Please read the question again and again to understand अगर आपको height दिया है या slant height दिया है. ठीक है? तो first we will find the slant height. Slant height M is equal to root of h square plus r square, which is equal to h square is 1 square और r is 0.2, which will be 0.04 उसका square. This gives you 1.04 और आपको ब्रैकेट में हिंट में दिया है कि use 1.04 का square root as 1.02. Okay, so that is what we are going to use. L as 1.02 meters. So L is equal to 1.02 meters. Now, don't go for finding the CSA of one cone. Let's do one thing. Total cost of painting will be equal to rate of painting into number of cones into CSA of one cone. Correct? Easy? ये एक ही स्टेप में हो जाएगा. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो it becomes easier to cancel out the values. Correct? So rate is rupees 12. Number of cones is 50 और आपको दिया है पाई यूज करना है 3.14. So pi r l, so 314 by 100. Radius is 0.2, that is 2 by 10 into slant height is 1.02, that is this. Okay. Whatever you get, just simply cut on zeros. Otherwise आपको कुछ कट नहीं करना है. ये कर सकते हो 5 1 जा 5 2 जा 2 और 2 कैंसिल आउट हो गए. इससे ज्यादा कुछ मत करना. ठीक है. तो you get 12 into 314 into 102. These type of calculations become easier, okay, than to divide it with any number. अगर आपने ये 102 और 5 कर लिया, ठीक है, फिर आपने यहाँ पे 6 से भी कर लिया, यहाँ पे भी 50 कर दिया और अल्टीमेटली आप you are right on a point where डिनोमिनेटर में आपको 5 के मल्टीपल्स मिल रहे हैं. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये सब मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको डिवाइड बाय 5 या 25 जो भी जब आप एक ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है आपको 12 into 314 into 102, ये तीन नंबर्स का कैलकुलेशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके सिंपली यू हैव टू पुट डाउन 3 decimal points. Understood? The answer to this multiplication is 384336. So you get 384.336 and we round it off to 384.34 rupees. So that is your answer of cost of painting the 50 hollow cones. Is that clear? Alright. So that is about exercise 11.1. In the next video we will be covering some examples related to the spheres and hemispheres, and we will be starting with exercise 11.2. Stay tuned, revise the formula table very thoroughly and keep watching us. Thank you so much.